Alright guys, just got this Logitech G300s gaming mouse that we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of. So, let's get started. This from Walmart, and I actually ordered it 2 days ago and it just showed up and I am itching to unbox it. So let's get started here. I'm gonna slip this open here and see if we can find it. There we go. Hopefully don't cut anything.
Just wanted to take a moment to point out that I did something I shouldn't have done. I'm cutting towards myself. Always remember to cut away from yourself so you don't get hurt.
Trying to work around the camera here so I can... I should have gotten a bigger knife. Should have gotten a bigger knife. First time I've ever ordered anything from Walmart, so let's see how this is packaged. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Oh yes, look at there, look at there. Move this out of the road here. That's actually pretty nice. 2500 DPI. I'll run through all the specs later. For now, I want to open this. So, let's get this bad out. There we go. And, come on. See what is in here. Is there more plastic on there? Nope. Okay, so, instructions manual. Don't need that, because I'm a guy. Don't pay attention to that. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. Nicely wrapped. Oh, not too bad. Slightly different than I was expecting. I was expecting it in the plastic or something. It does have the logo on it, so that's neat. Well, this actually feels pretty nice. Okay. The hand is a bit different here. Let's see how that feels. Huh. Okay, and it is it's left-handed and right-handed, so you can use it for whatever you wish if you're right-handed or left-handed. Not a braided cable. Not the best feeling cable. Not the worst feeling cable. It's not gold-plated, but honestly, does that really matter? Don't know. It does have, I believe it is 9 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right there. So yep, 9 buttons. It's not the lightest. It's not the heaviest. So it's actually right there for weight. Feels pretty good. Oh, that's nice. Currently have been using a very old mouse, which I will talk about in the review when I review this. Let's turn that over so you can see it. Get out of the road. There we go. The mouse wheel is annoying on that one, and this one has a nice feel, so you don't feel that. It's better than the Razer mouse I've been using, and for $20 on Walmart, which I will put a link in the video description for that. Gonna have to get a length on this, can measure it in the full review. But actually it's not too bad for length, doesn't seem, so that'll be nice. Alright, and nice slick feet here. Is there any plastic on it? There's plastic right here. Oh, peel. Can we peel? Okay, that's like the lamest peel ever, but you get the idea. I can at least put in the hashtags. Anything else to peel? No? The plastic feels pretty decent. Actually better than I was expecting. So yeah. The blue looks nice, the black looks nice. Don't know how well this is gonna do if it when it scrapes. If you get like sand on your hand. I live in the south, so there's a lot of sand here. Gotta see how that works, but yeah, feels pretty nice in the hand. Don't know how that's gonna work out though. So you can see there, my hand is hanging over. We'll see how that works. It's not big, it's not small, so it should work for a lot of people. Feels pretty nice. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and also hit that subscribe button. And make sure to stay tuned for the full review of this mouse. So. See you guys next time. Space to go use this. I seem to have forgotten to do one thing. There's still more. So if you but wait, there's more. You take this out, you get this nice thing that tells you, oh, you plug it into your USB port on your computer, and then go to this website and you can get the software. So like I said, more info in the full review. See you guys next time.
If you found today's video helpful or entertaining, then hit that like button. And if you really liked it, then get subscribed and make sure to enable notifications by hitting that bell icon. But wait, there's more. I also have another channel which you can find a link to in the video description, along with a link to the items featured in today's video. And as always, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and see you all next time.